Hello, my beautiful souls. So, let's embark on a beautiful journey to heal your crown chakra through EFT tapping. So, we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I may feel disconnected from my higher self or spiritual purpose, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes doubt my connection to the divine, I choose to trust in the guidance of the universe. Even though I may feel lost or alone on my spiritual journey, I know that I am always supported by the loving energy of the cosmos. Even though I may have fears or doubts about my spiritual beliefs, I choose to embrace a sense of faith and trust. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I choose to open my heart to receive its blessings. I choose to surrender to the flow of life with ease and grace. I trust that the universe will reveal its wisdom to me in divine timing. I am a beloved child of the universe, deserving of love and belonging. I choose to embrace a sense of faith and trust. And I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now feel the energy of the universe flowing through you, awakening your crown chakra to its highest potential. You are connected, you are supported, and you are loved. How do you feel now?